Okay, so it looks a bit dark in here, but this is the Honda CBR500R. Had this bike now for nearly 3 months. Using it for commuting, occasional weekend ride. A lot of fun. As you can see, it's got the standard muffler on it. Some people think that this is a bit quiet. So this is what it sounds like. It actually is quite quiet. I'll give it a bit of a rev. So for safety reasons, decided to change the muffler. Okay, so we've got the old one off and it's sitting on the garage floor. They're actually quite a bit heavier than the new one, and we're committed now because I don't really want to ride around with the exhaust pipe looking like that. Okay, so that's the Delkevic 8-inch, otherwise known as the 200mm slip-on exhaust. And yeah, hopefully I might be able to join the bike club now with the different sound. Laugh out loud. So took a little bit longer to install it than I thought it might, but I am a little bit of a perfectionist. So let's see what this thing sounds like. Okay, definitely a bit more bass on the idle, and yeah, I'd say that that's done the trick. Must be time for a ride.